Hello friends, welcome to the platform IR by BKJ. In this episode, I will discuss the Finance Commission. Why Finance Commission? Because the President of India has appointed 16th Finance Commission under the chairmanship of Shri Arvind Pangadia. In this episode, I will discuss what is the Finance Commission. The second one is what is the composition of the Finance Commission, and third one is what are the qualifications criteria for the chairman of the Finance Commission and the four members of the Finance Commission. I will also discuss some additional facts. Next, I will discuss what are the functions of the Finance Commission, and finally, I will discuss the challenges associated with the Finance Commission. First of all, what is Finance Commission? As per Article 280 of the Constitution of India, President shall appoint Finance Commission every 5 years or earlier if he deemed it necessary. Finance Commission is a constitutional body. It is mentioned in the Article 280 of the Constitution of India. Finance Commission is also a quasi-judicial body. Now, what is the composition of the Finance Commission? The Finance Commission consists of one chairman and four other members. Now, I will discuss what are the qualifications criteria for the chairman and the four other members of the Finance Commission. The qualification criteria for the chairman of the Finance Commission is the person having the experience in the public affairs. Now, the qualification criteria for the four members of the Finance Commission. The qualification criteria for the members of the Finance Commission is as below. There are four qualification criteria. The first one is he should be a judge of the High Court or eligible to be appointed as the judge of the High Court. The second one is a person having a specialized knowledge of the finance and account of the government. The third one is a person having wide experience in the financial matters and administration. And the fourth one is the fourth qualification criteria for the members is a person having a special knowledge of the economics. Now, some additional facts. What are the additional facts? The members and chairman of the Finance Commission hold office till the period as specified in the orders of the President. The members are eligible for the reappointment also. Constitution does not mentions the qualification criteria. It has left on the Parliament of India to make qualification criteria, and the Parliament of the India has made the qualification criteria as I have already cited above. Now, what is the functions of the Finance Commission? Finance Commission has 4 or 5 functions. I will discuss one by one. The first one is the Finance Commission recommends the devolution of net proceeds of the taxes between the center and the states, and also between the states. The second one is it recommends the grants to be shared to the states from the consolidated fund of India. The third one is any matter referred by the President of India. The fourth one is the President, it may recommends the augmentation of the State Finance Commission to enhance the resources that has to be shared between the panchayats and the municipalities. Now, where the reports of the Finance Commission is submitted, the Finance Commission submits its report to the President of India, and who in turn lay before both the houses of the Parliament. Now, what are the challenges? There are many challenges. I will discuss the first one is the first and the most important one is, since the recommendations of the Finance Commission is only advisory, it is not mandatory of the Government of India, and hence it is not binding on the Government of India. Thank you very much.